In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a no-zip ladies purse. Here is my material, my Ankara fabric. Now measure out the body of your bag. This should be 19 inches by 11 inches. Then your lining also, you measure 19 inches by 11 inches. Then your pad, I'm using breast pad, you measure 19 inches and 11 inches. For the hand of the bag, measure length 14 inches and the width 3 inches. You duplicate it into 2. That's you measure it out into 2. I've already done it. This is what I have. Then this will go this way. For the side bag, measure out from the Ankara fabric length 6.5 inches by 4 inches. That's what we have here. Measure it on the lining also, then on the breast pad also. Then you duplicate it. That's do it into 2. So this is one, this is one, and this is the second one. So now the next thing I will do is to go use my pressing iron. Press this like this way. Okay, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Press it like this and iron it. That's to stick on this Ankara fabric so that the breast pad will stick on the Ankara fabric. Then I will now attach my lining on it by sewing it. I will do the same on the sides of the bag. So on this side, I will press the breast pad on this fabric, iron it for it to stick together. Then I'll sew my lining on it for both sides. Then for the hand, I will only iron my interface on it, on the hands, both of the hands. Then fold this way, and this way, plus this way, and iron. So after I've attached my breast pad to the fabric, this is what I have. Look at it. Look at it. So what I will do now next is to sew my lining to the fabric also this way. I will sew like this way, this way, this way. Then the same thing I will do to the sides of the bag. So I'll sew the lining here, and also to this one also I'll sew the lining. Then for this hand, the hand of the bag, I will now sew this way and this way, like this and like this. After sewing it, this is what we have. So what we'll do now, we'll measure 3 inches from here to here and mark it. So I'll be doing that. 3 inches. Okay, from here to here, 3 inches. I'll mark it. This is it here. Then from here to here, another 3 inches. I'll mark it again. Then we'll come to this side. Measure another 3 inches here. This is it. Then another 3 inches here. This is it. So what we will do is this. We'll now piece the hand of the bag this way. and the other mark like this too, and we sew it like this. So the same thing goes to this way also. We'll fix it this way also at the mark points of 3 inches from this side to this side, from here to here. Then we'll go to and sew it. Look at it, I've done that. I've stitched it here and here, here and here. So this is it. So the next thing we should do, or we'll do, is this. We'll measure out this. I'm using Ankara fabric though. I measured out 2 inches by 11. So we'll place it this way, this way, this way, and sew from here like this, like this. After it, we will now turn this like this and turn it like this and fold again, and fold again this way to sew it. So we will do the same thing this way also. That's, we are doing the same thing on both hands. Okay, after sewing this hand like this, look at what we will do. We will now try and attach our magnetic button to lock the back. So I'll start like this. You create a hole here, both here, here and here. Just measure 1.5 inches from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. I've already created the hole, so I'll add my button. So I've added this one, you can see it. Then the next one, then I've added this one also. Then I'll add these ones also. Added the button. So we'll now have to lock this way. So that's what we have. Use this gold ribbon to cover the back of the button where I added the button, so that it will look nice, and I will sew it this way, and this one goes here also, and I will sew it this way. So look at what we have after fixing our ribbon. Look at what we have. So the next thing to do is to bring out this thing. You see how this thing is shaped in a curved manner, both of them. That's the size of the bag. Look at how they are shaped. So what I will do next is to put this thing this way. Cut out pieces of the fabric, put it this at the edge of the sides of the bag, and sew here like this for this one also, and sew here like this. Then turn it, fold it out like this to the other side, and sew again for both of them. After folding this thing this way, sewing this material like this, you see it's now smooth and it's better. So we'll fold this like this, get the midpoint. So I'll mark it with my pen. This is the midpoint here, and we also get the midpoint from the bag also. So I'll mark it here also. That's where the midpoint is. So we'll do it to this side also. So look at how I am going to put this now. This is the position. So this is the midpoint here. This is the midpoint here. So here now, let me attach it with my pin. Okay, with my peg. Okay, so the midpoint for this side also is here. So I'll still attach it with my peg. Then from here like this, I will sew like this, and also this side I will also sew like this. The same thing goes to this place also. This is what we have after sewing, after attaching the side like this and this. So this is what we really have. So what we'll do now in order to cover these rough edges is this rough sides. We'll now cut out some pieces of material. Then this is my right side. We'll place it this way. Then sew it like this, stitch it like this, after which we'll turn this way and fold in again like this. So now sew it again this way. So we'll do it for both sides, here and here. That's why I have two of these materials. This is the end product of our Ankara simple bag. So look at it this way. We have folded the clothes around this clip, so it looks nice now. So this is what we have. Thank you for watching my video.